So here's the preferred pharmacy minus the added search by city criteria, um, but here it is. So what I've tried to do, I'll show you in a moment, but mainly just to note, this is the preferred pharmacy list. Everyone's aware of that. What I've tried to do is kind of simplify the workflow a bit and maybe make it a little bit easier for it to be separated into less confusion. A bit around when they first come to this list. And what I've tried to add in, which I'll show you, is this is the same list. So what I did was, instead of just having the list contained into a drop down, we're presenting it right away. That way they can review it. This would work for the people who are just need to get maybe a little more information than what shows from the prescription module when they come into the preferred list. So they can then just at a quick glance see everything that's there, and then if they want it to, and if they have the ability to edit it, that they would have the ability to still edit, reorder, or delete. Now the delete is the unlink, so it can change the wording if we want to keep it consistent to what was there. But pretty much what this functionality would be was that the person who only has the ability to view it. This way, if they still wanted to add a preferred pharmacy, they would still have full capability of searching for it. Now this is if they want to add it, the preferred pharmacy to this list, right? So they would still be able to search for it and add it. And so I try to contain all what a typical user would use into one screen, but still, if they have appropriate admin privileges, then they would be able to still access some of the other features that allow them now to manage the pharmacy list beyond the preferred pharmacy list for this patient. So the entire list that, and I think this is going to be a few people, if any, because you're going to be using the preloaded list. But and then what happens is it will load it. It'll load it here, but it would have an added search display, so you could just search right from here. That way, because even if you're going to edit it, you're going to search, and it's probably good practice. So to search before you add a new one, so you don't duplicate. But so again, this is what I did was, instead of just purely mocking it, I tried to proof a lot of it just to make sure, based on what Randy's already done, that this workflow would be possible. And this is about 75%. The pharmacy stuff here that I just displayed, that stuff is incomplete, but the rest of this stuff is pretty much functional. So that's a glance at it now. So I guess here you go.